Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sonos Era 300 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If it's connecting to the wrong device, or if it keeps disconnecting, or it won't connect, or there's an issue with Bluetooth, or any other kind of glitches, or if you just want to get a fresh start and have it forget all the devices that it's paired with, we can do this pretty easily. But this will make it delete everything. It will be like it was when it came out of the box, and you'll need to repair it with whatever devices you want to use it on. But if you're ready to do that, it's pretty easy. All we need to do is first unplug the speaker, and then with the speaker disconnected, we're going to come in and press and hold on the back, on the top, we're going to press and hold the Bluetooth button. And while we're pressing and holding the Bluetooth button, we will reconnect the power cord, and all the while continuing to hold the Bluetooth button. And you'll just continue it, keep holding it until the button, until the light on the front starts to flash orange and white. And once it flashes orange and white, you can let go, and it will continue its reset process. And then when the light flashes green, that means it has completed its reset process, and you can go ahead and connect the speaker to whatever device you wish.